This instructional video is brought to you by Red Rocks Community College and a grant from the U.S. Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration. Colorado Helps Advanced Manufacturing Programs, known as CHAMP. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to complete your LinkedIn profile. In the first video, you learned how to set up your LinkedIn profile. In this video, we will complete the process. The first step is to sign in to your LinkedIn profile account. Go to linkedin.com. Enter the email address that you used when you set up your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn password. Click Sign In. LinkedIn provides tips and pop-ups to help you fill out your profile. On this screen, there are at least 3 different ways to update your profile. This includes 1. Improve your profile, 2. Add your skills, and 3. Select Edit from the Profile menu option. We're going to start with the third option, as the first 2 options may change as you build your profile. Select Edit Profile under the Profile option. At the top of this page, you will see a wizard to help you set up your profile. You can update your profile by working through this wizard if you'd like. The options in this wizard will vary depending on what is still needed in your profile. Since the use of this wizard will vary from one profile to another, we're going to show you another method to update your profile that will always be available. Click on the X in the top right corner of the wizard to close it. Each item in your profile is editable by clicking on the pencil icon. You will notice pencil icons appear when you place your cursor over an area. The title that you see at the top of your profile, right below your name, is set to where you entered when you first set up your profile. If you said you were a student, it will be reflected here. If you said you were working, the title of your position will be shown here. Even if you are a student, it's recommended you update this title to reflect what type of position you are looking for. To do this, click on the pencil icon next to the title. Add the type of position you are seeking. Click Save when done. Adding an industry will help employers find you. Click on the option to add industry. Click on the drop-down arrow to bring up a list of industries. Select an appropriate industry from this list. Click Save when done. Now let's add your work experience. This is where it's helpful to have a resume on hand. We will start with your current or latest position. Click on Add Experience. In this window, you will enter the information about your position. Start by entering the company name. Add the title of your position. Add the location of this position, and then click on the down arrow to select your starting month for this position. Select your starting month. Enter your starting year. If you are currently working at this position, click on the option I currently work here. Otherwise, click on the down arrow to select the ending month of this position. Select the ending month. Enter the ending year. Enter a job description. Click Save when done. Add additional experience if applicable. This is the link to your public profile. You can click on it to view your public profile. This is also the link you give to others to see your LinkedIn profile. This is how the current profile looks. To return to editing your profile, select Edit Profile under the Profile option. When you return to editing your profile, you may see this wizard at the top. We will close this and continue updating our profile below. To add or update your contact info, click on Contact Info. You can click on any of these fields to edit them. To collapse this information, click on Contact Info. Adding a summary to your profile gives potential employers and your connections a quick glance at who you are. Click the option to add summary. Provide a summary that highlights your experience and skills that pertain to the positions you are interested in. Click Save when done. Click on View More to see additional sections you can add to your profile. Let's add skills to your profile. Click Add Skills. Let's review the setting for skills and endorsements. Endorsements allow your connections to endorse your skills. This gives even more credibility to your list of skills. This is what endorsements look like in your profile. You'll see a list of skills. Next to each skill is a number of endorsements. To the right of this are thumbnails of each of the connections that have endorsed you in these individual skills. Endorsed. Set the option for LinkedIn to send endorsement suggestions. This is done by LinkedIn sending emails to your connections. You can also set the option for the reverse of that, where LinkedIn will send you suggestions so you can endorse your connections. You can also set the option for LinkedIn to notify you when you are endorsed by your connections. Enter your skills separated by a comma. LinkedIn will provide suggestions as you type in your skills. As you add your skills will be listed below. You can reorder your skills by simply clicking on the individual skill and dragging it to where you'd like to place it. Click Save when done. Click on View More to add additional sections. If you graduated recently, or will be in the near future, add your courses to give potential employers an idea of your coursework. Click Add Courses. For each course, you will enter a course name and the degree or job position it is associated with. Providing a course number is optional. Note that your education and work experience must be completed prior to entering your courses. This will give you the option to associate each course with a degree or a position. Enter the course name. Select the degree or position this course is associated with. Select Add Another Course. Continue adding the relevant courses. Click Save when done. The last step is to complete the Education section. Click on Add Degree. Enter the degree you received or will receive. Enter your major as the field of study. Optionally, you can enter your GPA. Enter any activities and organizations you participated in as a student. In the description field, enter any special projects, area of emphasis, honors, etc. Click Save when done. View what your profile looks like by clicking on View Profile As. Click on Courses to view your courses. Click on Return to your profile at the top right. If you are interested, you can add a background photo that shows at the very top of your profile. You can continue adding the appropriate sections to your profile. When you are done, click on the Sign Out option under your profile thumbnail. You have finished the training for how to complete your LinkedIn profile.